The repair we will be doing today is replacing the handle on our third door. You can see this is an extended cab. So we do not have a door handle on the outside. The door handle is located on the inside. As you see, mine is broken. It is a pain in the butt to open. You can do it. So the door is functional. It's just we need to put this new door handle on. They made this really easy. All you're gonna need is pretty much a screwdriver. This is a ratcheting, of course. The bit is a Torx bit, a T35. I'm gonna put it back in. And you just really just unthread these. There's no nut behind the door or nothing. It's literally just unthread both of them and the door handle will literally fall out. Fairly simple. I've seen both where I have my door handle of mine actually break, but what another vehicle I've worked on, the internals broke. Fairly simple. All it does is push on that and it opens the door. Fairly simple. That's a good repair. Something to note is I tried installing the top one first, being that the plate behind it is floating without this handle. I installed the bottom one first. I kind of helped align the top. So something I kind of recommend. It worked in my situation. So start with the bottom, get that one aligned, and that kind of self-aligns the top. Hopefully that helps somebody. We're going to end this video off here. On to the next one.